The chemical symbol for cesium is Cs. It is among the family of alkaline metals. On the periodic table, it is at position 55. It has 40 known isotopes. Cesium's radioactive isotopes might be discharged into the atmosphere in the event of a nuclear disaster. However, they have short half-lives. Most of them are under an hour. Radioactive cesium is a hazardous material. In the mid-20th century, early ion propulsion motors utilized cesium as a propellant. Despite the advantages of cesium, the cost of the metal made it uneconomical to use. Since the late 1950s, the metal has been recognized as an industrial metal. In 1860, German physicist Gustav Robert Kirchhoff discovered the element. His first observation of cesium was the appearance of blue lines in the spectrum. He and chemist Robert Bunsen were both experimenting with spectroscopy. They used the newly developed spectroscope to discover the new chemical element. The discovery of cesium was made by spectroscopic analysis of mineral water in Durkheim, Germany. A further experiment included electrolytic molten cesium cyanide by Carl Theodor Zetterberg from the University of Bonn. The chemical cesium became the first to be identified using spectroscopy. A spectroscope is a specialized instrument that enables the identification of elements by observing the wavelengths of light given off by hot atoms. The occurrence of cesium is fairly rare in nature. It is produced in significant quantities in mining and petroleum industries. A good example of this is the world's largest pollucite deposit in Bernick Lake, Manitoba. Located in Canada, this lake has a total surface area of 10 square miles and contains over 300,000 metric tons of pollucite. It's the 45th most prevalent element in the crust of the Earth and may be found in a concentration of roughly 3 parts per million on average. Smaller deposits are found in Mongolia and Kazakhstan. A number of companies are involved in mining the metal, including Agnico Eagle Mines, Teck Resources, and Pretium Resources. Electrolysis and reductions are only two of the many methods that may be used to manufacture it. Cesium is a ductile alkaline metal that has a reflective silvery gold color, the only other metal besides gold and copper that is not silvery in color. When heated, it becomes a gas with a blue flame. Cesium is a reactive element that oxidizes explosively with water at low temperature. This process is known as alkali hydrogen fusion, and the resulting hydrogen gas is exothermic. Cesium metal reacts with halogens to form the following inorganic compounds: cesium fluoride, cesium chloride, cesium bromide, and cesium iodide. This element is among the 5 elements that can be found in liquid form even at room temperature, since it has a low melting point of 28.5 degrees Celsius. Cesium has affinity for oxygen. In presence of oxygen, it develops a silvery gold hue. Cesium has a wide range of applications. It is used to make special optical glass, and its compounds are widely used in vacuum tubes and drilling fluids. It plays a significant role in the manufacturing of a variety of goods, including fertilizers, insecticides, and many more. Historically, cesium was used in electrical and chemical fields. The element was used as a getter in photoelectric cells. Today, non-radioactive cesium is used in several organic reactions. This element is also used in photoelectric cells and magnetohydrodynamic power generators. It is used in medical applications and is used in the atomic clock and considered the most accurate type of clock yet developed. Cesium is a common component of sensor and compressed air getters. It's also a positively charged ion in inductively coupled plasma masses spectrometer, which is a common analytical technique. As an example, cesium is used in a number of medical applications. The treatment of cancer is one such example. Additionally, food irradiation is another use. By irradiating food with cesium-137, the radioactive isotope kills bacteria and germs. Several foods, such as wheat, flour, and potatoes, can be preserved by this type of irradiation. It is also a component of scintillation counters, which are used for detecting radiation.